Hey, what's up guys, this is Arvind, your favorite automobile and tech reviewer. Apple recently launched their item tracking device called AirTags, and here we have two of those. This is the newest product category. AirTags are item tracking devices that enables you to keep track of your stuff like keys, wallets, backpacks, or even your Siri remote if you're that crazy, with the help of Find My app on your iPhone or any other Apple products, or you can use a Siri command to find your AirTags. The AirTags come in a fairly thin box that's of course designed by Apple in California but packed in China. Let's pull this pull tab and let's open it. Okay, here we are. Opening the box, we are greeted with some paperwork and instruction and the AirTags itself. There are no Apple stickers if you are wondering. Let's pull this AirTag out of the packaging. These are custom engraved AirTags according to my liking. You can also custom engrave this for free at Apple Online Store. Removing the wrapping, the AirTags turn on themselves and are ready to be paired. Let's remove the wrapping. There's a little bit of pull tab here. You need to pull it to make it to the pair mode, and it makes some noise. The AirTags are so small in size. This is not as big as you see on the website or in any social media sites. This is so small and looks so cute. The back is like glossy metal made up of stainless steel that will easily attract fingerprints and more scratches. The front is white glossy plastic. This is a CR2032 3-volt user replaceable battery that lasts for a year according to Apple. Bring your iOS device that runs 14.5 to pair the AirTag. This is my iPhone 12 Pro Max running the latest iOS 14.5. The AirTag symbol already popped out and just hit connect. Name your AirTag. I'm just going to put it on my bike, so I'm just clicking the bike option and giving continue, and it's all been already setting up. Pairing is almost done, and now this AirTag should be connected to my device. Yeah, it has been connected to my device. Let's view in my Find app. Yeah, it has already been connected. Let's play some sound. It's comparatively loud. So how does AirTag works? It's a simple process. Your AirTag sends out a Bluetooth signal that can be detected by a device in the Find My network. These devices send the location of your AirTag to the iCloud, and then you can find your AirTag in the Find My app and even see it on the map. The whole process is anonymous and encrypted to protect your privacy. Just like other Apple devices, your AirTag can also be put into lost mode. When your AirTag is put into lost mode, when a device detects it, it will send a notification to your phone. You can also set your contact details in the lost mode through Find My app. If someone comes in contact with your AirTag, they can just tap on your AirTag with the NFC enabled device and they can find your contact number so that they can contact you and give your AirTag back to you. This works only with the NFC capable device that are from iPhone 6 or later, and any other Android devices that has NFC feature. The NFC is the same technology that people use to pay for things with their phones. Apple screams privacy. Apple will not know your location. The device that helps to find the AirTag will also stay anonymous, and the location data is encrypted. If someone tries to spy on you by putting an AirTag in your backpack or wallet, your iPhone will notify you and send you an alert. After a while, if you still haven't found, the AirTag will play a sound so that you can easily locate it. Of course, if you happen to be with a friend who has an AirTag or on a train with a whole bunch of people with AirTag, you no need to worry. These alerts are triggered only when the AirTag is separated from the owner. These small little pugs are also water resistant. That means splash resistant according to Apple. So as it is very useful for people keeps losing their things, let's talk about the pricing. The AirTags come in two options. One is with the one AirTag that's cost around 3,190 rupees in India or 29 US dollars. Other one is with 4 AirTags. That's the best value for money according to me, because the price is around 10,900 rupees or 99 US dollars. Apple also sells 3 things that you can attach the AirTags with. The first one is the leather keyring. This comes at around 3,590 and it screams value. The other two are Apple leather loop that cost around 3,990 rupees and the ordinary silicone loop that comes at around 2,990. If you consider the price of AirTags that are selling around 3,190, the accessories cost way higher than the original AirTags itself. So it practically makes, if you want to attach this AirTag to your keys, you need to spend around 6500 rupees, or you can go with any other third party accessory key rings, but I could not find anything that are available in India. Of course there are a lot of options in the United States, but I could not find anything until now that goes on sale in India for the AirTag. If I found in the future, I will link in the description below. If you ask me, I will probably say this AirTag is worth it. If you're an Apple fan, it is worth to collect this because it looks so small, so tiny and so cute in real life. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more Apple content. If you like this video, a like and sharing this video to your family and friends would be much appreciated. And yeah, finally follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'll leave my handles down in the description below. Thank you so much. Let's create Spark.